Welcome back. Now, the last two writing tools inside of Canvas are some that you may or may not use with every specific writing project that you're creating in Canvas. If you go to your right side menu, you're going to see two additional icons that are available. One icon is called Final Polish, and there's not a lot of input that you have with Final Polish. We're just going to click that element, and we're going to click the arrow button in order for ChatGPT to start creating its final polishing of the document. And you'll see this happening in real time. Again, if you don't like the draft, you can revert back to the previous version. If you want to show all the changes that are made, you can click on Show Changes. There is an additional icon on the right side menu. You'll see it at the very top, and basically, you can add emojis to your final draft. We can click on Add Emojis. We can choose the emojis that we want to add. So in this case, we can choose List for Emojis. And we can watch ChatGPT use emojis inside of our document. And you'll see the creation of the emojis in real time. Once you have the emojis that you want, you can then click Copy, and you can head to your favorite word processing software to paste in your content. If you are using a software program like Microsoft Word, and you right click and you paste in the document, one of the things that you'll notice is that you will have control over what the formatting is. And so you'll want to think about that as you begin to place your content inside of your word processing document. Okay, it's with that. Thanks, and I will see you in another video.